and today we are doing legit A to Z chocolate challenge. ये हम लोगों के लिए काफी डिफिकल्ट था. We have visited, all our DMart, Star Bazaar, all the online Amazon, Blinkit, also Flipkart. Again, along with that, किराना stores भी हमने सारे देख लिए छोटे मोटे चॉकलेट्स जमा करने के लिए. Along with that, we also went at Dorabji's. Punekars will know what is Dorabji. It's a place where तुम्हें सब तरह के चॉकलेट्स मिलेंगे. So बहुत डिफिकल्ट था A to Z चॉकलेट्स फाइंड करना. So we'll start with A. A से we are having Alpenlibe. बहुत पहले से खाते आ रहे हैं हम. And this has 147 calories in it. So picking one. I'll also be mentioning calories. So this has 147 calories in it. I'll give it 5 out of 5. ये मेरा बचपन से फेवरेट रहा है. Next is B, bar 1. ये भी खा चुके हैं actually. It has 71 calories in it. This is the small bar 1. Nice. 5-star types होता है, but 5-star is much better. I'll give this 3.5. C से we have Choco Bakes, cake.
Melt over here.
This is the slice. Nice. But ना काफी ज़्यादा स्वीट है. तो जिनको एक्सट्रीम स्वीट पसंद है उन्हें ही पसंद आएगा. I'll give this 4 out of 5. Taste अच्छा है but super sweet. Moving on to D. D से can anybody guess? Like Cadbury, जहाँ से हम जानते थे Cadbury, that is Dairy Milk. जानबूझ के छोटा पैकेट लाया बिकॉज इतने सारे चॉकलेट्स है जो देख के ही हो रहा है कैसे खाऊंगी मैं. D से Dairy Milk. 5 out of 5 पहले से ही दे दूँ. And this small pack has 35 calories in it. Moving on to our next alphabet, that is E. E से we have Eclairs. ये भी हम लोग बचपन से खाते हैं. This is Eclairs plus, so I think ये crunchy no है, soft वाला है, chewy. इसका जो चॉकलेट निकलता है, जो चॉकलेट लिक्विड जो स्प्रेड होता है, इट्स अमेजिंग. 5 out of 5. Moving on to F. F से I'm having Frutella, my most favorite of all the chewy candies. So this has 180 calories in it, and इसमें grape flavor भी बहुत यम होता है. This is strawberry. 6 out of 5 for sure. On to G. Everybody can guess this. G से we are having gems. क्या मुझे इसे रेट करने की जरूरत है? I don't think so. It has 89 calories. This complete packet has. Yeah. 5 out of 5 for sure. Next is H से Hajmola. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 calories in it. And it has 4 calories. So one tablet consists of 1 calorie. Five out of 5. From I we are having Impact Mints. It has 24 calories in it. It is like a mint का outburst in your mouth. So I'll give it 5 out of 5. Mint के लिए perfect mint है ये. J we are having just jelly. This whole packet consists of 258 calories. And these are beer shell. So not that great. थोड़ा कड़वा भी लग रहा है मुझे. So I'll be giving this 1.5. From K we are having Kinder Joy. I'm excited for the toy. Having this after ages, and it has 110 calories in it. Mm. 4.5 stars. 0.5 is for the toy. L for lollipop. Everybody knows it. You मेरा favorite lollipop रहा है strawberry lollipop from Alphabet. And this has 34 calories in it. This little ball. Five out of 5 for sure. खा के वापस आती हूँ. So end से we are having my most favorite Mentos. So this has 138 calories in it. Yeah, 5 out of 5 for sure. So from N we are having Nestle का Kit Kat. These two fingers have 98 calories. 5 out of 5 for sure. Finally we have a 0 calorie chocolate, actually a gum, that is Orbit. It has 0 calories. I have already had it, so I'm rating it 5 out of 4.5. So after chewing this for 10 to 15 minutes, I am here with alphabet P, that's Polo. So this Polo, I think it has 10 or 15 आता है पूरा. It has 95 calories in it. Taste obviously we know. So Q से मुझे कुछ proper नहीं मिला, तो I bought this from local general store. It's quick lime candy. It's okay. I think I'll give it 1.5 out of 5. But at least I got something from Q. Because I was quite worried about that. Moving on to R. R से we have Right Bite. It's the Right Bite का almond raisin, quinoa, crispies, oats, cashews. And इसका total calorie count is 165. Even after having all these healthy things. .5 out of 5. From S we have Snickers, and the bag consists of 108 calories. Mm. 4.5 out of 5 for sure. Moving on to T. Yes, Tic Tac. I love this. और इसका ये रेड एप्पल फ्लेवर है, I love it. 28 calories in complete pack. So from U we have this Unibica fruit and nut choco cereal dry fruit nut. Five by 5. So guys, V से कुछ नहीं मिला. So I've got V से Vicks का कप ड्रॉप चॉकलेटी हो गया. This single little candy has 14 calories in it. To keep your throat good, you should not need to have this. So from W, we have got this Defika chocolate wafer. So this complete packet, जो पूरा पैकेट था ये इसका डबल आता है. So it has 300 calories in it. Taste is obviously good. 4.5 by 5. From X हम लोगों ने बहुत ढूंढा. You just can't imagine तो हमें प्रॉपर X से कुछ नहीं मिला, बट वी गॉट समथिंग which is a 0 calorie again. So not focusing on this, but this has xylitol and काफी बड़े से लिखा हुआ है. तो मेजर कंटेंट इसका जो है वो xylitol है, which starts from X. So we'll be having this 0 calories. After chewing the xylitol for 10 minutes, actually not 10, 5 minutes, इस बार फटाफट खत्म कर लिया. We are with Y, and Y से we have got this yoga bar. This looks like dark chocolate dry fruit chikki kind of, and this has 157 calories in it. Healthy बोलते हैं इसे. I did not like it much. इससे better मुझे Unibic का लगा. This is 3/5. And last but not the least, you know, मैं लकीली मिला है ये हमें, अदरवाइज कोई चांस नहीं था जेड से कुछ मिलने का. दिस इज अ कैंडी, नॉट लाइन फॉर श्योर, इस पे जेड से जू भी लिखा है. एंड दिस वाज आवर सेवियर फॉर द चैलेंज, एंड दिस हैज 160 कैलोरीज इन इट. Two by 5. But anyways, we have completed our legit A to Z chocolate challenge. ये मेरा दिन भर का खाना है, तो मैं तो इसे फुल डे एंजॉय करने वाली हूँ. इसका टोटल कैलोरी काउंट आई विल राइट इट नीचे. Whereas I'm not promoting this chocolates, okay? I'm just doing this for fun and letting you know the reality कि तुम एक चॉकलेट के पीछे कितने कैलोरीज खा रहे हो. So yes, for more such videos, you need to subscribe our channel. Also like this video and also comment down below तुम्हें अगर इसमें से कुछ और अल्टरनेटिव मिल रहा है इन चॉकलेट्स का तो. Okay? So till then, live young, live free. Goodbye.
फास्ट फॉरवर्ड कर देगा.